Hi friends, welcome back to Property Finders and also visit our website propertyfinders.co.in. Friends, in this video we are talking about the open plot which is about 4.1 acre at Shadnagar towards Chevella. This property is located bang on highway very close to Shadnagar, which is very well developed area. Shadnagar is famous for all its ventures. This particular plot is exactly on the highway as I mentioned earlier. This can be used as a gated community villa project or for an farmhouse. If you are interested in buying this property, please call us on the number mentioned on the screen 9491642141. We are specialized in all types of residential, commercial, retail and agricultural farmlands. Property Finders is a consulting company which is having work experience in Bangalore, Bombay, Hyderabad, Chennai. Property Finders is associated with all major construction companies in Hyderabad. If you are looking for buying a villa or a plot or a villa plot or a residential apartment in a gated community or an individual house in a very developed area, you can approach us. We can provide you the best property as per your requirement and within your budget without any hassles. We have a very vast experience in real estates. We have catered many number of clients. We have a satisfied clients. This property is 100% clear title with all the necessary documents. It is available. It is available for sale. There are many developments around this property. Just behind our property, you can find the poultry farmhouses, and just away from our property, major the real estate developers have come up and they are selling the plots in this area with all the developments in that community. This property is very close to Shadnagar. Shadnagar is very close to Hyderabad city and international airport Shamshabad. Shadnagar is also a well developing area. A lot of real estate companies are coming here and major companies like Procter and Gamble, Amazon are doing their operations in Shadnagar area at Kuttur. There are many real estate developers who have converted their land into HMD approved layouts and selling at a very good price in this locality. You can call and find out what is the best price for this property on the number mentioned 9491642141. You can also change this property as an villa project with a limited villas in this, as this property is exactly on the highway facing. It is close to Mission Bhagirath. As you can see on the screen right now, this property is exactly 10 kilometers away from the Shadnagar town, and this property is on the highway of Chevella. This property is a clear title property. It is not under 1110. At Shadnagar, we have many construction companies coming up, and the developers are coming and developing the open plot ventures with DTCP permissions and HMDA permissions here in Shadnagar. Shadnagar is exactly on Hyderabad Bangalore highway, which is close to Hyderabad city and also Hyderabad International Airport Shamshabad. It is very close to Triple R, that is Regional Ring Road, which is expected in very few years. Like government is planning for this Regional Ring Road. This particular property may be close to the Regional Ring Road in the near future, and the development in this area would be very high in near future. The land appreciation, the value which of amount which you are investing in this property will give you a very good returns in near future, as this is going to be very close to the Regional Ring Road. The development will also be very high in this location. As you may be going across lot of newspapers and TV channels, like Shamshabad and Shadnagar is a very vast and high growing area in the Hyderabad city. Like lot of developments are coming up in this area, many factories and Lot of companies are investing their money in this location of Shadnagar, and this is well connected to Hyderabad city. This property is also connected to the Chevella. You can come across and circle kind of a thing from Hyderabad to Shadnagar, Shadnagar to Chevella, Chevella to Hyderabad again. The road is very good. It is about four lane road. For more information of the property and site visit and more details about the property, please call us on the number mentioned on the screen 94916 42141. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Thank you.